welcome to Fact in Brazo guys. Another new video has come on SQL injection. In this video we will know how we can extract the content inside the database with the help of union attack. Now listing the contents of the database, meaning we are going to extract the information of database, or you can say the information inside the database. So most database type except Oracle have a set of views that called information schema. This provide information about the database. Now the question arises, what is information schema? So let me give you some information about information schema. So information schema is like database blueprint. It holds details about the database parts like tables, columns. We can easily extract this kind of information, the tables, columns, from the information schema. For example, if you want to know what tables are in database, you can check the information schema to get a list of all the tables. We will see all about this practical in PostSQL labs. Before that, I'm going to give you two steps. So there are two steps for extracting table information and the column information. In the first step, extracting information table name, this query select star from information schema dot table. Now the key point is informations underscore schema dot tables. With the help of this, we can extract information of tables from information schema. Let me give you this table example. You can see this is a table catalog, table schema, table name, table title, type. You can see, and we can extract information of tables or the name of tables from this information schema. In this step 2, extracting information of column name. Okay, so select star from information schema dot columns. You can see here the difference, information underscore schema dot columns, where table name is equal to, let's suppose a table name is user, so we can extract here information of the columns from the table. Let me give you another example. This table, you can see table catalog, table schema, table name, column name and data type. From here we can extract information of column name. So that's a scenario for a theoretical base. We will see this kind of scenario in the PostSQL lab. So let's begin with that. So guys, this is our PostSQL lab, and you can see this lab scenario. Lab equal to SQL injection attack, listing database contents on non-Oracle databases. As usual, there is union attack vulnerability into the category filter, category parameter. So let me access this lab first. Basically, in this we will extract information of the database, or you can say the information inside the database with the help of union attack. There is a union attack vulnerability, so wait for some time. Yeah, so this is our lab, and as usual there are many categories, and from these categories we have to access any of the category, because in this lab scenario there is a vulnerability inside a category parameter. We already seen in many videos, many previous videos, so this is not any new thing here. So you can see, after accessing the or after clicking on pets category, there is a category parameter shown in the URL. So you can see category equal to pets. Let me enter here the single quote. Internal server error as usual. That means there is SQL injection vulnerability. Now I'm going to take some information about the number of columns with the help of union keyword. So guys, here I entered this query, and let me enter here. Still there is internal server error. Let me enter here one more null. Yeah, that means there are two number of columns. The next step, we have to extract the data type information. So let me enter here the random string in first column and just enter. Yeah, there is a string data type working in the first column. Let me enter the string into second column. You can enter any of this string. So yeah, in the second column as well there is a string data type. So after that, after knowing about the data type information, now we have to extract information of data table name. Okay, so how we can do that thing? So let me enter. I'm going to enter here table name and the null, that means the second column, this one, and where from where we are going to extract this information from the information schema. Okay, so I'm going to enter here information schema dot tables and the commenting of the query. Let me enter. Yeah, we successfully entered this and we got some tables name. Okay, you can see here many tables name you can see. So I'm interested in users table. If I will see something users table, because in users table we can extract some interesting information, kind of a username and password kind of things. Let me search here. There are many tables name. PG user. So guys, I have got one users table, something you can see users dash and something this value. Let me copy once this and I'm just entering here. Yeah, for copying, I just copy this value. Don't worry, I'm not going to search on Google this value. I just copied here for copying in my query. So okay, let me write my next query here. I got the table name. Now the next thing or next step is to getting the column name information. So instead of the table name, now enter here the column name, and as usual the query from information schema. Now instead of tables, now I'm entering here the columns. Now the next thing I have to write here, where clause, where the table name, where table name we already extract the table name. We have to enter here the table name, where table name equal to that value. I'm going to paste here which I copied and just enter. Yeah, let me see the information. Query. Okay, you can see this password is something this, and the there are columns. You can see the username column is this, and the password column is this. Okay, so I'm going to copy these values. Now I'm going to use my notepad, otherwise you will confuse why I'm entering or why I'm copying these values in my browser. Okay, so let me copy this value of column name and the password. Means in these columns we will get usernames and the password. Yeah, last step is using these values. We have to extract the username and password value. Okay, so let me again copy this column value, username, and enter in the this. Yeah, and again copy the password column value and copy here, remove this null and just paste here. And now the password from we have to remove all the things here because we already know the value of the table name, so we don't need to write this query. Just remove the commas and enter. Yeah, successfully we got the information of username and password. We can see administrator and the administrator password, and the other username and password we also got here. And let me scroll down. No, there are only three users and the password and their password. So I'm interested in administrator one. So let me copy this password value, and now I'm going to access this account while sorry, I'm entering here as a administrator and the password value, and just login here. Solve the lab. Congratulations, you solved the lab. Now this scenario I'm going to tell you here what we did in this. First, we have to know about the SQL injection vulnerability, then the union attack working here. After that, we extracted the information of the number of columns, data type of the columns. After that, we extracted the information of table name from information schema, and after that, after knowing table name, we extracted the information of column name from information schema, and from the table which we got. And after that, the last step, using the columns name, kind of username column and the password column name, we extracted the information of username and password, as you already seen the value of administrator as well. And we access the administrator rights in the web application. We just use this scenario in the real life web application testing, penetration testing. So that's the scenario, guys. So that's all for this video, guys. See you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned on Fact Infra. So thank you, guys.